Getting the WS-115195-2 on your PS5? You are not alone. You have come to the right place. Let's fix it quickly so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fix PS5 error WS-115195-2. Let's jump right into the fix. Method 1. Check the PlayStation Network page. You experience error code WS-115195-2 on your PS5 mostly when the PS5 fails to connect to the PlayStation Network server. When you get such an error, check the PSN server status. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select Network, then select View PlayStation Network status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 2. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can try is to change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open the PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings, select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Another thing you should check is that your internet connection is stable. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check if that helps. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect to your service provider for help. You should also restart the router or modem and your PS5 console and check if that helps. Method 4. Use a wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to your modem or router. Connecting your PS5 directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable can provide a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi. This can be especially beneficial for online gaming, streaming, and downloading large files. So try that and check if this could resolve the connection error. Method 5. Update the router's firmware. The next thing you should do is update the router's firmware. You can contact your internet service provider or network administrator. Then request to update the firmware of your router. Method 6. Contact support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix error WS-115195-2 on your PS5. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Let us know in the comments which method solved your issue. Your input could help others too. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.